Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make shrimp fish. First, gather your fresh shrimp, a sharp knife, and a cutting board. Ensure you have all your ingredients ready before you begin the preparation process. This will make the entire cooking experience much smoother and more enjoyable. We'll cover cleaning, seasoning, and cooking methods. Now, let's get those shrimp ready. Start by peeling the shell from each shrimp, leaving the tail on if you prefer. Next, carefully make a shallow cut along the back of the shrimp to expose and remove the dark vein. Finally, rinse the cleaned shrimp thoroughly under cold water and pat them dry. With your shrimp clean, it's time to add some delicious flavor. In a bowl, combine your shrimp with a tablespoon of olive oil, a half teaspoon of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. You can also add garlic powder or paprika for extra zest. Let them marinate for at least 15 minutes to absorb the seasonings. Finally, let's cook your perfectly seasoned shrimp. Heat a large skillet over medium-high heat with a tablespoon of oil. Add the shrimp in a single layer and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Serve immediately with your favorite sides, like rice or a fresh salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.